Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to add Google Maps to your Framer website. So first, go and select the project where you want to add Google Maps into. After that, go to another window or tab and search for Google Maps. Now go to their site. Here you need to choose your location. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. After that, click on the share button under it and then click on embed a map. Then just copy the map's HTML. After that, go back to your Framer website and on the top left, click on Inserts, search for Embed and choose this one. Now on the right panel under Embed section, select HTML and then paste in the HTML you copied and press on enter. Now you will see your map on your site. So what you need to do is to just drag in that map to the section where you want to put it and then just change the type to absolute so you can freely lay out it or change its size according to your layout. But that's just basically it. That's how you add Google Maps to your Framer website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.